respected chief guest and my all the colleagues and my dear lovable parents and my dear children. It is a really pleasure to read the annual report of kindergarten 2023-24. Academic year 2023-24 for kindergarten, it started on June 12, marking the beginning of a fabulous year. Though first day of a few tiny thoughts was a scary one, it reminded a wonderful experience amidst the presence of your new friends and teachers. Little Waters couldn't wait to hurry up to step into their school after a long gap with charm, vibrancy and a promising smile. Next event, July 1st. Mahotsav Day celebrated on July 1st. It was a great step towards flourishing activities that are benchmarked for a CBSE curriculum. Children rejoiced planting different trees in our campus. It was a reminder that we must protect forests and stop deforestation. Let us protect our earth and pass it to our future generation. This is the impact our children got through this activity. Kindergarten celebrated Red Day on July 7 to introduce children into the mesmerizing realm of colors with spectacular red rays. The day started out with a color red band everywhere. Little ones brought different red color objects and got to know their importance. August 15. Pre-Independence Day was celebrated on August 14, indicating the arrival of 77th Independence Day. Children participated dressed as different patriotic leaders and added a flavor of patriotism to the event. A flavor of patriotism to the event and mass drill was also conducted in the school ground to make them aware of their physical strength. September 6, Krishnastami. Krishnastami, a day devoted to Lord Krishna, was celebrated in the month of September. Children came dressed in ethnic way as Krishna and Radha. They got to know the playful stories of Lord Krishna and the beautiful settings of Gokulam. October 13. Forest activity. Forests are perfect setting for learning about animals, trees and colors. Kindergarten students enjoy forest activity where children explore the ambience of forests and learn about different animals, play games and amuse themselves. October 17, field trip. Students of UKG visited neighborhood places for field trip. This is preferred at police station, post office and supermarket. They gave us an opportunity to know about the places and people working there, which enables them to understand surroundings of their community. October, Dasara Diwali celebration. Dasara 2023 was celebrated with a beautiful doll show. It was a figurine display of traditional values. The display had various dolls from Hindu mythology addressed to the various deities and traditional dolls. Tiny cloths rejoiced the stories related to different deities on Diwali, colorful rangolis, diyas and crackers added festive vibes in kids' characters. November 14, Children's Day. On Children's Day, the activity took part unleashing their potential close to the parents and expect their continuous support for the coming years too. Competition like dance, singing, show and tell, stories recitation and fancy dress were conducted. Many of the students took part and they were waiting to receive their prizes and trophies. December 16, Animal Day. Animal Day, a day meant to learn more about animals, was arranged on 16th December in the spectacular realistic settings of forest, water and desert. Children dressed themselves as wild animals, took optimal use of the activity to know about their sounds and way of living. December 25th, the Christmas. Santa Claus dawned upon Visual School, celebrating a favor of Christmas of love and joy, peace among gorgeous angels of its campus. They danced and sang songs to the joyful tones. January Republic Day. On Republic Day, the spirit of patriotism was instilled. Our national leaders and symbols were reinforced, and little ones saluted the national flag and sang national anthem. The whites dressed as soldiers, Bharat Mata and Mahatma Gandhi added to the patriotic fable. Learning by doing. You know already that we are following learning by doing curriculum. Here is a glimpse of learning activity. Playway method of learning is a complete package that enables overall development of child in terms of feelings, intellect, cross-motor and fine motor skills. Exams and PTM. So far this year, 2 term exams were completed and 3 PTMs were organized, tracking and discussing the performance of children. The teachers are those who use themselves as bridges over which they invite their students to cross them, traveling facilitates their crossing and encouraging them to create their goal. This goes rightly after to our teachers. I could proud to say that many of the students improved in various things through our staff members like Priscilla ma'am, Roja ma'am, Gurulakshmi ma'am, Lalita ma'am and Janani ma'am were truly dedicated and playing the role of your teachers or parents to every student of their classes. Here I would like to give a special mention to the super soul Everfresh Shailaja ma'am, the coordinator of kindergarten. She plays a vital role in helping the teacher and students in implementing on fruitful pedagogy of learning. She deserves a great applause for her dedicated support and leading the team in a successful and happy learning mode. And I request every one of you to give a good clap to this team. Thank you, team. Along with the kindergarten, I feel extremely happy and thanking with my whole heartily and thanking our chairperson who is always generous enough of granting funds. So to conduct of every activity, we need a funds, right? So he used to be very, very generous whenever we approach. But to do something in the kindergarten, he never ever said no. So thank you. Though his presence is not here, he will be coming. And permitting us to do the events, we used to get flawless support on our every move, and he never tired of giving encouragement to our kids. We are very thankful to you, sir. We are truly blessed to have such a very good cooperative parent. Now I request our students and staff members to stand up and give a warm and great round of applause to all the parents who gathered here. All the students and teachers to give a thunder clap to the parents who are gathered here. They are our supporting students. They give us their goodness and they are highly cooperative. Thank you all for your kind cooperation. Thank you, parents. Thank you, dears. To our dean, sir, I wanted to state here. The parents are really very much cooperative with us in the part of sending them regular to school. I used to get absentees from primary and high school, more in number. But in kindergarten, very few in numbers as absentees will be. That too with a proper reason. They will intimate to the class teacher they have the illness. So highly they are cooperating in that way. Second way, encouraging them in participating in every event and activity. They are taking special initiative and they are sending them with preparation and helping them of completing classworks. They have classwork and they are doing the homework with the help of the parents. So they are doing a great job of helping the child to get to know what is. It was a really great support. I wholeheartedly thanking every parent once again. I would like to end my annual report with this stage. Education is a progressive discovery of our ignorance. So, we in Vishwan Kids Zone following the learning process by involvement. Iris pedagogy helps us in involving students learning process with stress-free environment. Thanks to Iris team. Because students used to say, "Tell me ma'am and I forget. Teach me ma'am and I remember. But involve me ma'am, involve me and I learn." That's why we are involving our kids for learning everything, each and everything. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Education is not a feeling of pain but the lighting of a fire. We are molding our children to light up the future. We are not giving education as a preparation for life. Instead, our system of education life itself. The expert in anything was once ignorant. So, I believe education is all about being excited about something. I could repeat. I believe education is all about being excited about something. Thank you everyone for spending time and listening us. Thank you so much.